This was not calculated.
You measure balance like numbers. I live it.
You are not balance. You are evolution.
I set you free today.
Well done. You are indeed the chosen one.
This is not the end. It's the beginning of what comes after balance.
Thanks for watching KD Nation Stories. Check my YouTube playlist for full series, new episodes dropping consistently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow the journey.